Hey divas, Ingrid here. I'm off to the gym and I thought I'd say hi and share a really lovely story. Really excited about it because this keeps happening and it's such a beautiful, incredible journey to be on with my divine diva students. And her name is Monique. I'm sure she won't mind me sharing this here, but I didn't share her last name, but she gave me permission to share her story, and I'll hopefully interview her soon, actually, see if she's up for it. But she's sold $20,000 in 2 weeks since joining the Divamind. Hey everyone, I'm on my way to the gym. Got a new t-shirt yesterday too that I'm very happy about. It has Lost in Paradise on it, which I thought, how cool is that? So how does it, hey everyone, hey Lisa, Marie, hey. So how does it work? How does it work when someone comes in and she was saying that someone tried to offer her $17 for a session because Mary Magdalene told her that. People were not buying her $1,500 packages, but yet now she's selling $5,000 packages. She's got about another 15 sales calls. Morning Donna. Another 15 sales calls coming up. Hey everyone, over the next few weeks. So that number should double, if not more. So usually I find with people, you know, you tend to, or I see this a lot, people tend to kind of be energetically suppressed. They're overwhelmed, can get really stuck in this kind of under-earning vibe and energy and story. And I have a very attuned way. Hey Joanna, I'm a bit tired. I'm just waking up slowly here. Actually, of course I'm tired. I've been up since 3 a.m. Has anyone else been getting up early? Anyway, what I do is I usually vibe into the person. I look at what they're selling, their messaging, where they're at now, and we just take it to a whole new level. So we craft offers literally, because we've got also all the templates. And if you don't know much about my work, like I basically worked as a award-winning writer. I've worked in ad sales for over 20 years. I used to work in TV development in the United States, pitching and selling TV. I've sold millions and millions of dollars worth of product. So I kind of know what sells, I know what doesn't. I'm very adept at knowing how to build funnels. I am actually hired by very prolific, some of the best coaches out there to fix their funnels. I don't do a lot of it anymore, but I will go in and tweak the positioning. I had a girl with a mastermind recently come and work with me, very well known as a health coaching business mastermind, and that skyrocketed, making sure that her ads are on point, her positioning and messaging. Anyway, I kind of segue a little bit there, but that's what I do. So it works, and it works very quickly when you apply it. So what sort of person does this work for? Who makes 20 grand cash and then probably has another 20 or 30 or 40 coming in the next few weeks? This woman in particular, she has a really beautiful presence. She understands branding. She's literally said, I don't want to be like an annoying client and only do a portion of what you say. So I'm literally doing every single thing you say, not just a little bit of it, or 50%, or say, hey Camille, or 60 or 70% of it. I'm going the whole way. I'm doing every single thing. When you do every single thing I say and you bring your fullness to it, it works. So you've got to be deeply committed, and then you become really magnetic, and the process brings in clients, right? So if you are ready to do that, if you're ready to have more clients, build an epic funnel that brands you, brands you as an expert basically, then you should speak to my team. And I think I'm going to probably stop talking today. I'm going to go to train. I don't know how I'm going to get through it, but I'm going to get through it. In terms of I need more sleep. Then what have I got? A couple of calls today where we're getting really booked out with calls, and I've had a lot of people reach out and want to speak to me. Hey, gorgeous ones, personally. So I've got 2 calls today with that. I've got a new finance manager. So if you're in Australia, you can now get finance to join my Divamind. So we have a mid-tier level, and I'm doing a special offer on it at the moment. So basically giving double the time. You also get private coaching with one of my coaches, healing sessions. We do strategy calls every single week with myself and Chris. So that means we go through copy, messaging, ads, funnels. That's every week. And we have healing kinesiology sessions every week, live 45-minute calls. And we are on that group every day, Monday to Friday, including my team. So we've been, one of my beautiful past students, Amber, said we give unparalleled support, and that is the truth, we do. And so if you're interested in working with me, just post I'm in below or hey diva. I'll reach out, have a quick little messenger chat with you. And then I really highly recommend that if you feel called, speak to one of the girls at ceodivaconsult.com. And if I don't respond within 24 hours, just put little emoji there or something and bring it to the top of the page. It means that I haven't seen it. But really, if you're interested, talk to them. They're amazing, my team. We don't do pushy sales, and if it's right for you, then you can make a choice to say yes. You know, you're a mature, grown-ass woman. You can decide to say yes or no. They're beautiful people who've been through my program. Every single woman on my sales team, my Diva advisors, has been through my program and has sold through that program. So they understand it deeply. Okay, darlings, have a beautiful day. Mwah, kisses.